Easy girl. There you go. Some corn and a couple peanuts. Can't resist that, huh? The little one getting brave. Winter's coming soon. Fill up while you can.
Hey there, guys. Got a little peanut and corn snack for you. Yeah, there you go. That's it. You can hear them crunching. Easy, buddy. There's plenty for everyone. That's all I brought. Thanks for trusting me.
All right, friends. Got peanuts and a little cracked corn for you. There you go. Easy. Take your time. Plenty for everybody. That's it. Good crunch, huh? Everyone, you can have some too. Come on in.